story goes, little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey, what's my froze? It's me, Gina, and in this video I am going to be doing probably flexi rods. I feel like I haven't done a flexi rod set in a while, and you know, gotta get my flexi rods out while we're still supposed to be social distancing and before I get sent back to work. I gotta get it out of my system. I'm gonna be using some products from Uniqurl. I purchased these products over Black Friday and I feel like it's time to break into them. So before we get into this video, if you have not joined our smartphone family, what are you waiting for? Make sure you hit the subscription button as well as the notification button so you don't miss out on any new uploads. And yeah, I'm actually going to deep condition with their Moisture Fancy moisturizing conditioner. This is supposed to be like a quick 5-10 minute deep conditioner, but we ain't doing all of that. I do have a video where I use their soy aloe mint deep conditioner, and I will link that for you guys to check that out if you're interested in that. Really like that deep conditioner, so I am excited about trying this deep conditioner. And then I'm going to be using their new Uniqurl Fantasy Style Gel. Because I'm doing flexi rods, I kind of want to use a gel just so they can hold, but I'm hoping that this still gives me like soft hold, soft hair, but long hold. That's what I'm going for. This product, the directions doesn't say to use a leave-in, but I'm a little eerie of that, but that's okay because they do have a spray leave-in. So I'm going to use this spray leave-in to moisturize my hair, but I need to start applying this deep conditioner before my hair starts to dry out. So I'm going to split my hair in half. Now, like I said, I purchased these products during Black Friday, and I feel like I got all their products from their line. I've been using the 4-in-1 styler. I had to stop using that styler just because I feel like I only have enough of this styler left to do one more braid out, twist out. And I was like, I gotta stop using that because if I'm gonna film it, I'm gonna be out before I film it. So I took a pause from using that, but I plan on using it. I don't know if I want to do a full washing style with their original line, because then I also have their curl forming custard, which is supposed to be really good for wash and goes, that I might break out, but I don't know. Right now, I just want to do flexi rod, and they have a gel. So I'm going in with their Moisture Fancy deep conditioner. I believe I have 2 of these. So this does have a mint smell to it. Ooh, lots of slip. Lots of slip. I want my Felicia Leatherwood brush. This has a lot of slip. Like a lot. Okay, so it does, like, that mint smell is fairly strong. Yeah, I told myself I was gonna buy like 2 more of these brushes because I don't like cleaning my brushes and I need them to be ready when I want them to be ready. And I will have a link for you if you're interested in this Felicia Leatherwood brush down below. I will also link the video where I reviewed this brush if you are interested in my thoughts on this brush. But you guys know this is like my favorite detangling tool, and I just feel like I keep so much hair on my head when I use this brush. So bam. Okay, that was nice. I like that. Took like 2 seconds to like run that deep conditioner through. So because that gave me like a lot of slip, I feel like I don't need to go in with as much as I did that first section, and I would rather build up if necessary. So I'm just going to go in with about this much at first, and then just work that in. Yeah, you don't need a lot of this at all. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this product to my hair, and I'm going to speed this part up. And then I'm going to do my normal deep conditioning routine. I'm probably just going to sit under my hooded dryer for like 30 minutes.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars.
Okay, so I have just rinsed that deep conditioner out. And I have to say that deep conditioner is very, very, looks like I missed some spots, very reminiscent of their original deep conditioner, the Aloe Mint deep conditioner. But I feel like I can definitely tell the difference. I definitely feel like this deep conditioner is a lot more moisturizing, whereas I feel like the other deep conditioner is definitely like on the moisture protein balance side of a deep conditioner. So yeah, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate my hair because I'm doing FLEXI rods. And you know, when I started this wash day, I was real excited to do FLEXI rods, but as the time goes on, kind of don't want to do them no more. Okay, so I'm gonna pop this open, and then I'm going to spray. I really hate spray leave-ins. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with their Curl Fantasy Styling Gel. I'm use about this much. Now this, actually I'm gonna go in. Now this is my first time using this styling gel, so I don't know how it's going to be. I'm hoping it's moisturizing, because I will hate to spend my time on this FLEXI rod set. So I'm just going to keep doing this, and I'm going to speed this part up just because this is literally all I'm going to be doing right now. It's just FLEXI rod in my hair, and that might take a minute.
I said some things I wasn't clear. No, it hurt you, but I still care. No, I miss you laying near. Did you wrong and it wasn't fair. If I could go back, then I would treat you better. If I could just change my words like in a letter. I did some things, but I wasn't clear. No, I did it wrong and you did it right. Yeah, that's what you said when you started the fight. We came to an end, I put up this fence. But do you really mean that this is the end? 1, 2, 3 years of silence. Then 4, 5, 6, still nothing. When my hair gets gray and I lose my shape, I'd still be missing you. Year by year, I'm silent.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to let this air dry for about an hour, and then I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer because I'm not sleeping in these whatsoever. I will say flexi rods are a little bit faster than perm rod sets. So again, I use the Uniqurl Daily Moisturizing Leave-In Spray, which looks like this, and I used a good majority of it. It's liquid. I felt like I didn't have enough. I will say with this spray, you need to like spray it, but let your hair kind of absorb it in, because when I would spray it and go in straight in with the curl styling gel, it felt like I was just putting gel on my hair with nothing underneath it to moisturize my hair. But when I let it kind of like soak in for a minute, then it felt a lot easier going on. And then I used the styling gel, which is just this pretty clear gel. I did use a very good amount, which if I get flakage, if my hair is crunchy, it's probably because I used too much. I probably should have tested this out first, but I really wanted to do a flexi rod because it is only an 8-ounce bottle, and I didn't want to use too much of it doing a wash and go, trying to do a wash and go, and then I don't have enough to do a flexi rod when I wanted to do a flexi rod. But it is very reminiscent of like Eco Styler gel, and I know they got some issues, but I feel like this is a good alternative. But I feel like she should market this in a bigger container. I know if she markets it in a bigger container, she might have to, it's going to cost more. But I feel like when companies make these gels like this, they should just formulate it to be in a bigger container, because I feel like they will get much more success with a bigger jar gel. Who agrees with me? But yeah, so we're going to come back and we will see what my hair looks like afterwards. Okay, so this is my hair after I separated and fluffed and kind of just styled it. I didn't do that part on camera just because, I mean, I'm just separating and fluffing. If you want to know how I do that, I will link another flexi rod video for you guys. But, you know, I was trying to sleep last night, so I just found it necessary to unravel my hair, and I just didn't do it in the camera. But I did use some of this oil from Uniqurl, their moisture sealing hair oil. It looks like this, and I have been using this oil a little bit, so not my first time using it, but I used it, and I will have to say the definition that I'm getting is fire. Now, if I was to do things differently, I think I would have used that 4-in-1 curl styler and then did like a dab of that moisturizing gel. I do feel like my hair is more on the crunchy side, and while it's giving me great hold for a flexi rod, and I can tell that I could really make this flexi rod last, just the liquid spray leave-in is not enough moisture underneath that gel. That gel really acts like a gel, so just be very aware of that. I want to say that is probably one of the best gels that gives me closer to Eco Styler wet line results. But, and then I will say that I am getting flakage. Is the flakage extreme where I would be turned away from the gel? No, I think the flakage is more of a learning curve with the gel because of where the flakage is. Instead of being all throughout your hair like you will get flakage, it's more so in like patches. So it's like I didn't work the product in all the way, and I think what I should have did was, instead of adding more product, I should have sprayed a spray bottle and then worked that product in. So I just think I used too much product for that styling gel. Low-key makes sense because I'm pretty much almost out of this gel, but I like this gel enough to try to give it another go and see how it is. But I mean, because look at this definition. Yeah, so this is my review or my hair using the Uniqurl Daily Moisturized Leave-In Spray and their style gel, their Curl Fantasy style gel. These are my results. And yeah, so let me know down in the description bar down below. I will definitely make sure to film a video soon using that 4-in-1 curl styler before I run out of it, because I do really like that styler and I do want to feature it in a video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to thumbs it up, and I will see you guys in my next video.